Today I'm making Army Chili Mac. Welcome to White Shadow Fare. Make it homemade and make it with love. Start by dicing one medium to large onion. Add 2 pounds of ground beef or ground turkey over medium heat to a large pot. While you're browning your meat, get started with your spices. Four teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2.5 teaspoons cumin, 2.5 teaspoons paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, stir and chop your meat frequently. When the meat no longer has any pink to it, go ahead and drain the fat if you have any. I just have a little bit, so I'm using a paper towel to soak up most of the grease. Add your onion to the meat mixture and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes covered just to soften the onion. Go ahead and add those spices. Stir well to incorporate. Then add a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. A 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Two cups of hot water. Give this a good stir, then cover and let it cook over medium heat for 30 minutes. You may want to add a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, when you're ready to serve, go ahead and make your elbow macaroni following the directions on the box. Drain your pasta, put it back in the pot, and add a couple tablespoons of butter and a little bit of the liquid from the chili. You can see how it's thickened up after 30 minutes. We just top our elbow macaroni with the chili and add some cheddar cheese for a warm and comforting meal. It reminds my husband of his time in the Army so many years ago. I hope that you will give this a try. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe. Thank you for joining me here at White Shadow Fare.